All right, we got the q316-25 eastbound mixed freight train. They're on the way to the Cumberland, Maryland right now, heading east on Main 2. Let's check it out. Here we go. He's on its way. Oh boy. Yes, sirree. Ooh. Oh yeah! Thank you! Yeah! That's what I'm talking about! Oh! It's got one light and one ditch light! Oh! Oh! Hey! Woo! 3462! 3293! Look at it, one take off! God bless America! Amen! Oh man, this is fun to watch. Wow. Illinois Central, flatcars. Oh, beautiful. Game over. Got to. Those axle wheels coming on the flat car. And here comes the explosive container, intermodal containers. Here it comes. Wow, beautiful. I'm gonna take a picture of it. You can see. Yeah. Wait for it. I'll tell you when. There's a waffle box car. Is that nice? Cool, look. Huh? That's very unusual. What do we have here? Union Pacific cushion load. Look at the axles. United States Air Force explosive container train. And there's a look at that one. Beautiful military train. property of the United States Air Force. And that's the end. Oh, that's gonna be into the drain for one last long. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope, that's not right. That's the one last tank card of q316-25 east over to the Clarksburg MD Tower in Clarksburg, West Virginia. We went just amazed as the CSX train headed towards the to the Columbia Avenue Tunnel inside of the disappearing and in the action. But we continue with the CSX q316. We just made it, but just barely. CSX, we need a conditional to the CSX. They take a cruise and risk gamble to saving it. We're saving for CSX and more time and fuel over the last several years. CSX q316-25 to continue to head towards the Grafton Yard and headed toward the Cumberland, Maryland the following day. Woo! There you go, folks. There you have it there, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Comments down below. So, alright, thanks for everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. God bless America. We'll see you next time on my new train video. So, Josh Ryan, out.